before beginning to form, just take a moment to try to feel oneness with yourself and nature. And what that means is I like to start by bringing my awareness up into the sky, just feeling a bigger picture view, and that awareness and my breathing smoothly going down through the top of my head, through my body, down through my legs and feet into the earth. So I just feel this bigger connection, this oneness. So just pausing, breathing for a moment. Now inside, below and behind your belly button is called the lower Dantien. See if you can start feeling a little inner pendulum shifting from one side to the other. This is getting our awareness into our lower Dantien and shifting from our intention from one side to the other. When we're ready to begin to form, shift over to the right side of your body so you can peel your left foot off the floor and gently touch with your toes and going through your foot as if you're testing water. And right here, see if your hips can feel like water so we're not gripping at our hips. And now inwardly, as we breathe in, bring your awareness from your lower Dantien up to your center, your heart Dantien, all the way up to the upper Dantien, your higher awareness, and then sink inside into your roots. So you have the lengthening to the heavens and the sinking into the earth. We look to our left. We bring our left foot into our cat stance. We step out with our heel, do a deflection into parting wild horse's mane number 1. Smoothly breathing the whole time, in and out. Parting wild horse's mane number 2. We yield. We go into our third parting wild horse's mane. From here, we're going to reach forward. The back foot comes in. We shift back to our cat stance, coiling in, out, and up to white crane, spread to swing. Now we turn to our left and parry, turn to our right. The right hand comes up, the left hand goes down, and we turn into our brush knee and push number 1. We yield, come forwards, turning from the Dantien. The left hand comes up, the right hand goes down, brush knee and push number 2. We yield, going into our third brush knee and push. Turning the Dantien to the right hand comes up, left hand down, brush knee and push number 3. We reach forward to free up the back foot. We shift back to our cat stance. I'm turning my Dantien to the right, and then as I turn it back to the center, to the left, I bring my heel down to play the lute. Now we're going to go into 4 repulse the monkey. I turn my Dantien to the right, then my right shoulder relax. My hands come up in this big ball shape, so I'm not pinching my back this way or pinching forward. It's very open. I step back, splitting energy and sink. Shifting. Repulse the monkey number 2. Shift. Repulse the monkey number 3. Last one. Shift. Repulse the monkey number 4. Good. Now bring everything in. We're going to ward off left. Turning to our left, pretend we have our partner's arm, either pulling or sinking to the side or back. We press. We roll back as if somebody has our wrists. We come underneath, uprooting and settle. Release. Shift. Ward off right. We turn, we have our pretend partner's arm, and they'll show it back this time, and we pull. Press. roll back. This is often called push. Instead of seeing a push, feel like you're coming underneath your partner, lifting up and then settling. It's called on energy, a settling energy. Now we release that. We shift to our left foot, shift back to our right foot. The bird's beak goes out, and we go into single whip. Now we're going to turn to our right and begin our wave hand slide cloud. So I step to my left foot, parallel to my right foot. After we do our third one to the left, the right hand goes back into our bird's beak for single whip. Now we're going to reach forward. The back foot comes in. Right hand comes up to our left shoulder, and we sink back for high pat on the horse. Snake sticks out its tongue. The right foot comes in. We're going to kick and balance for a moment. As you come down, keep the weight on your left leg. Hands come to the side. Allow your weight and your double strike to land at the same time. Now we shift to our left, shift back to our right foot. Now we're going to kick left. The right hand does a bird's beak. Snake creeps down. Rooster stands on one leg. As we come down, we're going to turn to our left. Our left hand does a bird's beak, and the right side comes down. Our snake creeps down. Left hand pulls up the left knee. To rooster stands on one leg. As we come down, put your left foot turned out a little bit. Right hand's on bottom. Fair lady works the shuttle. Yield. We're going to repeat the same thing to the left side. Now we reach forward to free up our back foot. Bring our back foot in and we shift back to our cat stance. Right hand comes up to your face. Pierce the C bottom. As you come up, the left hand comes to your right pulse point. Fan through the back. Now shift over to your right. Shift back to your left foot. The right side does deflection downwards. Left hand carries, right hand comes to the waist. We punch, we release the punch. We wipe. Come down through your three centers. Settling. Release. Apparent close. And then close. And going back to where we started with the oneness, you can remind yourself from the sky down through your body, through the earth, to feel this oneness, this expansiveness, and then seeing if we can carry this in to our next moment, wherever we're going.